day everyone, especially to Ma'am and Sir. I am Yani Faith. I'm Lagardaso from Bachelor of Science in Nursing. I am first year, section 9, and today I will be talking about the cardiovascular system. But, what is the cardiovascular system? Well, ang ating cardiovascular system po or CVS also known po siya as circulatory system. It's one of the most vital organs in the human body. It is responsible po sa ating pag-continue po ng ating blood circulation sa ating katawan. And siya din po nag-maintain po ng homeostasis, nagsusupply tissues with oxygen and nutrients, and siya din po nagre-remove ng waste products. Ang major components po ng ating cardiovascular system is syempre ang ating heart po. Ang anatomy po ng ating heart is meron po siyang apat na chambers. Isa po siyang muscular organ na enclosed po in the pericardium. Yung pericardium po, isa po siyang protective sac. It is also the size of our face, yung heart, size po ng ating face. Pero po sa recent studies po na nakita ko po, it is also the size of our face, but our other hand po is wrapped around it. Ayun po yung recent studies na nakita ko po. And yung heart po natin is meron pong 3 layers, which is si epicardium po, siya po yung outer layer. Si myocardium naman po, thick muscular, siya po yung nasa gitna. Tapos responsible po siya sa pagko-contract. Then we have is the endocardium. Siya po yung inner endothelial lining po natin. Siya po yung last layer. Then, meron pong si heart na apat po na chambers. We have is the right atrium. Siya po yung nagre-receive ng deoxygenated blood from the superior vena cava. Superior and inferior vena cava. Tapos si right ventricle naman po, siya po nagpapump ng deoxygenated blood to the lungs sa pulmonary artery po. Si left atrium naman po, pangatong siya po nagre-receive ng oxygenated blood from the lungs by pulmonary veins po naman. Then we have is left ventricle, siya po nagpapump ng oxygenated blood to the entire body through the aorta po natin. Siya po yung thickest due to the force po need to pump blood systematically. Then meron po tayong heart valves. Siya po nag-prevent po ng backflow and ensure indirectional flow. We have is atrioventricular valves, tricuspid valve, mitral valve po, tapos si semilunar valve. Meron din po tayong pulmonary valve and aortic valve na papunta lang po siya sa aorta natin. Then, meron po tayong electrical conduction system. Siya po yung nagko-coordinate ng heartbeat through electrical impulses. We have is SA node, also known as sinoatrial node. Siya po ay isang natural pacemaker po ng ating katawan. Siya din po nag-initiate ng impulse. We have is AV node, also known as atrioventricular node. Siya po nagde-delay ng impulse para po magka-atrial contraction naman po. Then we have is right and left bundle of branches. Then bundle of his. Then syempre, na malikot to sa quiz, Purkinje fibers po. Siya naman po nag-spread ng impulse through the ventricles for synchronized contraction. Then yung mga physiological functions naman po, moving on naman po tayo. Then we have is oxygen and nutrient transport. Sila po yung siya po nagkikare sa oxygen from lungs and nutrients from the digestive tract and tissues. To tissues po. Then we have is waste removal. Nagre-remove po ng carbohydrates. Siya naman po to lungs, and metabolic waste from kidneys po. To kidneys. And hormonal delivery naman po. Nagtra-transport po siya ng hormones from glands to our targeted organs. Then immunity, siya po yung nagsa-circulate ng white blood cells and antibodies. Then lima po thermoregulation. Nag-adjust po blood flow to the skin to regulate our body temperature po. Then we have is homeostasis and pH balance po. Siya po yung nagme-maintain ng electrolyte and fluid balance po. Then second, moving on naman po tayo sa ating mga blood vessels. Arteries. First po, sila po yung nagkikarry ng blood away from the heart. Ito po ay thick, muscular, and elastic po yung walls niya po. Then, we have our major arteries naman po, which is the aorta. Aorta po, siya po yung largest artery. Siya po nagbe-branch into smaller arteries supplying the entire body po. Then, we have is coronary arteries. Siya po nagsusupply sa heart muscles. And, pulmonary artery, siya lang po yung artery na carry ng deoxygenated blood to the lungs po. Then, veins, siya po nagkikarry ng blood to the heart. Then, ito po ay thinner yung walls niya po with valves to prevent po yung pag-backflow. Major veins naman po, we have is a superior vena cava, returns blood from the upper body. Tas si inferior vena cava naman po returns blood from the lower body naman po. Then pulmonary veins, siya lang po yung veins na nagkikarry ng oxygenated blood from the lungs. Then we have is capillaries po. Yung capillaries po is microscopic vessels where nagkakaroon po doon na exchange po ng gas, nutrients, and waste. And nagkakaroon po ito between the blood and tissues. Then we have a single cell thick walls and allows for easy diffusion po. Then punta naman po tayo sa blood components. We have is plasma. It is 55% po. Yellowish fluid, nagkikarry po siya ng nutrients, hormones, proteins, and waste po. And yung formed elements na po, it makes up to 45%. We have is red blood cells, also known as erythrocytes, nagtransport po ng oxygen, produced in the red bone marrow po. White blood cells naman po, or leukocytes, nagde-defend po siya against pathogens or cancers or other germs po. Then we have platelets, also known as thrombocytes. Siya po yung responsible po, kunyari po nagkasugat ka, siya po responsible po na takpan po si wound para po wala na po lumabas na blood. Then, blood volume po ng average adult is 5 liters. And ang blood pH po is 7.35 to 7.45. And then, punta naman po tayo sa circulatory pathways po. Pulmonary, first po, syempre, pulmonary circulation sa right side po. Yung right side of the heart po, nagpapump po ng deoxygenated blood to the lungs for gas exchange. Ang pagkasunod-sunod naman po neto is, pupunta po si deoxygenated blood sa right atrium from the superior vena cava. Pupunta po siya sa right ventricle. Then, pulmonary artery po to the lungs, magkakaroon po ng gas exchange. Then, pulmonary veins to the left atrium. And doon naman po papasok si systematic circulation. Si left side po ng heart, nagpapump po siya ng oxygenated blood to the entire body naman po. Ang pagkasunod naman po nito is, syempre, papasok po si oxygenated blood from the lungs, the left atrium, then pupunta po sa, dadaan po sa mitral valve, pupunta ng left ventricle, then pupunta sa aortic valve, pupunta sa aorta, then to arteries, capillary tissues, veins, and pabalik na naman po sa right atrium. Then, meron po tayong mga pwedeng preventive healthy practices po para po sa ating heart, para po magstay po na healthy si heart ng longer po. Pwede po tayo mag-diet. Mga diet po na pwede natin inclusion is low saturated fats, salt, and cholesterol. Pwede po tayo mag-exercise regularly na aerobics po, ganun. Para po mag-strengthen yung heart po natin. Then, huwag po tayo mag-smoke kasi yung tobacco po kasi nagda-damage po siya sa blood vessels and nag-raise po ng ating blood pressure. Then, regular monitoring po, pag-check po ng ating blood pressure, glucose, and cholesterol po. And pag-manage po ng ating stress. Kasi po yung chronic stress po kasi, pwede po siya na mag-raise ng ating blood pressure and mag-strain po sa ating heart. Ayun. So, in summary po, yung ating cardiovascular system ay isa po siyang complex, efficient transport po. Transport system para po mag-sustain ng life po by maintaining ng flow of vital substances throughout our body, which is yung ating blood. Ayun po ang end po ng ating discussion. Thank you so much po for listening.